So guys, this channel is going to be called Legix soon. When I say soon, I mean really soon. Yeah, so let's just get right in the video. Whoop. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Draco90 Plays here, and today we're going to be talking about my friend's YouTube channel, which is called Rainy. And I mean, it's like, yeah, it sounds good, but you know, when you start to look at the videos on the channel, you start to maybe die a little bit inside. See, there's two videos we will be looking at today. One is called Wah. Yep, you heard me, Wah. And the other one's called Cool. Guys, let's just get right into this video. So guys, this is the Wah one, and you know, as you can see, you know, it's not that good, but you know, it's like, oh, it's okay, I think I can manage. Not really, but so guys, see, you know it's good, you know it's fucking good, you know, cool. You see, I don't lie. Let's just listen to this one. You know what? Why not? Just one. Oh, that wasn't interesting. Got you fucking covered here, lads. You know this shit is better than my fucking whole channel. This is what YouTube was meant for. This was what YouTube was meant for. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.
I've been moving houses so the mobs don't kill me. Trying to beat survival ain't a struggle for me. Don't trying to PvP me with your god mode on me. Only keep it real so don't start some with me. Making ender portals ain't no mystery.